Welcome to another edition of Tech Tips in 1 minute or less. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a contact poster. Start by choosing a contact, then tap Contact Photo and Poster. From here, tap Photos, then choose the source. After choosing a photo, you have the ability to change the scale and position of the image. Change the text color and apply filters. Accept these changes, then tap Customize to adjust the contact photo. Tap Choose and Continue to apply filters, then tap Done. Your contact poster is complete. Please subscribe to get more tech tips in 1 minute or less.